In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access advanced. Then scroll down and click on one-handed mode. Now click on this switcher at the top to activate it and scroll down again. You need to make sure that full screen storage is on to use one-handed mode, and then follow all of those instructions. Over here. So when I swipe down from the bottom of my screen, I can see that one-handed mode is working. To go back, swipe up or click on this dark area. You can also click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit got it. And to use one-handed mode, just click on the shortcut. Lastly, click on gesture sensitivity and adjust it by swiping left or right on this slider. If you wish to disable one-handed mode, click on this switcher next to the shortcut and this one at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!